number 3 at this video. Alright? Yesterday morning, sometime after 2 a.m., my 2009 Kymco Ram Vista 250cc 2-seater touring scooter was stolen right out the driveway of 5 Elm Tree Place. Today, I went for lunch with a friend at 11:30 or so, 11 a.m. and we went for coffee. He drops me off, and 3 minutes later, the phone rings. It's him, and he's right here, where we are here. He says, "Joey, your bike is sitting in the driveway down the street." Really? I come running down here. Sure enough, it's my bike, but I didn't approach it. Called 911, met the police. They stuck the bike out for an hour and a half, for 2 hours maybe. So no one came to the bike. This is what we're doing. They told me to come back to the bike, start it up, and drive it to the police station. Okay, I come back to the bike. The ignition switch is broken. The steering lock is broken. The steering itself is broken. It won't steer right. They removed a lot of screws. They tried to strip it, and a lot of things are loose or missing. And it's scratched up. They scratched it all up. They even broke this fairing right here. See that? They broke that. Look, I never dropped this bike ever. Not once. I got a scratch here on the lens. I got scratches all over the fairings down here and the fairing over here. See? And this fairing here. And a scratch here. And 3 gouges right here. And scratches and scuffs here. Alright. The only thing I didn't see any scratches on is this piece on both sides. Other than that, they scratched this fucking thing all up. Look, look. The bike had to go down on top of here. Jesus, I can't make one fucking video. Just as I think they're gone, they come back in 10 minutes. Damn it.